I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got it.
Welcome back to my channel Z MotoGP. Here I will tell you about MotoGP and other races, which are actually trusted and up to date. If you want to receive information back from us, please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Thanks a lot.
Francesco Guidotti as the KTM team manager began to see the slick progress of his manufacturer since the MotoGP title that took place across the European continent. This is evidenced by the three riders who continue to go fast when they go down the track. Starting from Jack Miller, Brad Binder, to the only rookie who manned the KTM Gas factory team, Augusto Fernandez was also competitive. Seeing that, the former Ducati Pramac boss emphasized that the RC16 engine was starting to develop and be competitive. Technically, we now rely on confirmation. RC16 is very balanced, explained Guidotti as reported by Paddock GP. If previously our RC16 suffered when exiting tight and slow corners, today shows significant growth data precisely in this particular phase. Stability in long corners and braking ability are already hallmarks of KTM, but we can do more. KTM's ferocity has recently been proven by the KTM rider duo, Jack Miller and Brad Binder, where both of them were quite fierce when racing in Spain, precisely at the Jerez circuit. Both compactly climbed the second and third podiums, at the same time managed to fight with defending champion Francesco Bagnaia. Finally, Augusto Fernandez as a rookie also showed his class when he acted in the 2023 French MotoGP. For the first time, Fernandez managed to finish in the top 5, to be precise fourth.